So
Sir,
what
as
is
the
like
mayor.
you casted your vote.
Yeah, I casted my vote, and I hope maximum number of people basically come out to vote for the ZP election. And I believe ZP election, I mean, say body should be given more powers. I feel, Yes, sir. And Honorable Sam also has spoken in his speech that he'll be giving more powers as far as the ZP is concerned. I understand.
So what type of power you feel?
Now, actually, I think in the constitution, many powers are basically written as far as the ZP is concerned. Even in other states, I think some powers basically has been given. So at least some more powers basically should be given. I think it is hardly anything what they have really got. And they are almost representing the full constituency actually, to tell you frankly. At least as far as Taligaon is concerned, half the constituency they are representing. So some power, it is not just to make gutters and to give some things, instruments and all to schools or some institutions. But some more powers basically should be, more of administrative power should be given to them.
So how you see the EVM and ballot paper difference?
What difference? I don't see any difference at all. It is what is one. There is always a saying: the bad carpenter always blames his tools. So if you have done a good job, people will get you elected. If you have not done a job, you will not get elected. It is ultimately the power of the people. I am here today because of the people's power. It is not my own. I have got nothing. It is people has basically sent me here. That's the reason I am representing the people.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.